Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll talk about the Sandbox SAND ticker and give you all the support, resistance, patterns, and targets and all the technical stuff that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and put your favorite altcoin in the comment below and I'll try to analyze that for you. Alright. Let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart as usual. In the last video, we talked about this $7 being rejected here and at the target of this falling channel, as you guys remember. And right after that, we were anticipating that price would fall to one of these boxes. And right now, the price is taking a support at around $5.2 and $5.7 box range, and price is kind of trading in a flag pattern right now. That's visible on the 1-hour time frame. If I zoom in on the 1-hour time frame, it looks like it is a falling wedge kind of a pattern, and this falling wedge has been broken to the outside. Let me nibble the volume. The volume is kind of a missing here, but it has broken out, so that's a good sign on the Sandbox right now. But we have to face this resistance right here at around $6 level. As you can see, a lot of resistance will be here. So technically the target of this falling wedge pattern is at the top of the wedge at around $6.5 level. If we measure it from the breakout to the top, that would give us around 15% gains. So if you guys want to take a long position on the Sandbox, you can use the BYBIT exchange, where you can claim $4,500 bonuses, deposit bonuses, if you sign up through my link. So sign up through my link. You can find the link in the description in the pinned comment. Sign up through my link, deposit money there, and start to trade and claim the $4,500 bonus. All right. And besides falling wedge pattern, I can see a potential head and shoulder pattern as well on the 1-hour time frame. This whole area could be the left shoulder like this, and this is the head, and this could be the potential right shoulder is in the formation. So price action is looking bullish right now on the Sandbox, but it all depends on the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has started to move up, so that all the crypto altcoins are moving up along with that. So we'll have to keep an eye on the Bitcoin as well. So if we get a push up in the Bitcoin, we will definitely get a push up in the Sandbox as well, and hopefully we'll get to the target around $6.5 region. I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of Sandbox. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.